Hi, this is Henrik from CarpetProCleaning. Are you looking for a professional carpet and upholstery cleaner that can get the job done right? Have you tried to clean it yourself, but it's not as clean as you expected? Or have you hired somebody that didn't do the job right? Having unclean carpets and soft furniture can be embarrassing. An eyesore and a root cause for bad smell through your house or office. That's why you need our professional cleaning services that will leave your carpet and upholstery looking like new and smelling amazing. We are trained, insured, experienced. Trusted professionals, skilled in techniques, equipment, and different variety of carpets and upholstery. Don't let your carpet and upholstery go to waste due to uncleanness or improper care. Call or message us today to book your appointment. Visit our website, carpetprocleaning.co.uk, or our Facebook page.